Hey everybody, how's it going? Just like to say that the Mavic Air 2 came in today, 2 days ahead of time, and I want to say a special thanks out to Tim Jackson, who started off the whole process of picking up the money to help me get this drone. And Tim, that was super awesome of you. Thank you so much. And all of the names and the links will be put in my video of this video. I got Tim Jackson to thank, Paul Murray, Lynn Ann, and Phantom Hodges, Robert Stratton, JSK Enterprises, Blind Neil, and Tim Ryan. Rayhan. Sorry. No, that's his other channel. And Aviations RC. Thank you all so much for all the donations that I got from you guys. That helped me 100% to buy this drone. And right now I'm going to do the unboxing. I did a live unboxing this morning, which I shouldn't have, but I did because I was too anxious. Look at this. And this thing is not light. With all the batteries in it and everything. Nice little case. And here's the baby. Yes, sir. Really, really nice. There we go.
Ooh, can I crash it?
Very nice indeed. So the Mavic Air 2 finally found a home. And this is the remote control. I'm gonna have to get really used to this remote control. Very nicely done. I'll have to figure a way how that's done. It's got the two little things here. I'm very glad to get this. And in the box we have
the window.
We have two batteries. There's one battery already on the drone itself.
Holy crap.
Charger. Wires. This is the charging bay. And which I'm going to just charge one battery at a time.
Very similar to the Spark one, huh?
Yep. And everybody's warning me just to do one battery at a time, which I am going to follow that advice, because if you do all three of them in one shot, apparently it's not that good. And in this box we have the blades, the propellers, and instruction books.
Instructions?
Yeah. And
do you want to get one set?
no, another okay. Set of blade propellers. And that's it in this box. So a big thank you again to all the people who helped me get this. Like I said, I will put all the names and names and bottom of the video to their channels. So thank you again, everybody. Much appreciated. And we have one hell of a great community on the Canadian Drone Hub. Much appreciated, guys. Thank you so much. There we go.